They really, what's it called? Personalized. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I have a Wannable box to unbox. I gave up on Wannable for a little bit, but I think that they're better than I gave them credit for. I will have all the details about Wannable down in the description below, as far as how it works, what the discount is. This is a big bundle. It's a really big bundle. They really personalize it. It says styled for Anne. And you can go on their website and choose things that you like and reject things that you don't, which will give them a better idea of your style in addition to the profile that you fill out. But let's see what they sent me. Always a paid return package to put anything in that you don't want. USPS. And I still have Scott as my stylist. I think I had him before I took my break, and then I know I had him the last time. And so here he is again. Let's look and see what we got. We will start with the jeans because they are right here. These are the high-rise crop skinny in medium blue by Vervette. Vervette? I've never heard of that brand. Size 26. I probably will not be able to get them on, but okay. Lots of distressing, but not too much for me, because there's a little bit right here, but where I don't like it, I don't like big holes, and I don't like anything where my knee is gonna show, but they've got quite a bit there and there, and the other and up here, and it's a button fly, and a little more distressing on the back. So let's hope I can get those on. These are okay. These are Morris Jogger by Gentle Fawn. I love joggers. I love joggers. I like these a lot. The weight's really nice. They're a little bit dressier than your average jogger. Got pockets in the front, but just the detail and the stitching here on the pocket. I don't know if you can see that. I hope you can. But to me, they're just a little dressier than some of the other black joggers that I have, because I do have several. Next we have, this is the tiered short sleeve dress in charcoal. I don't get very well. I get dresses. This is a shorter dress. Okay. This looks like it could be cute. I hope it's cute on me. It's got several layers. It's fitted at the waist, elastic at the waist, and then it's got several layers, and then the kind of flouncy bottom. I hope, fingers crossed, that works. Then next, this is the Sonoran Sandwash Dolmen T in black by 78 and Sunny. Another black tee. It is different than my other ones. I've got several and they're all a little bit different. This is a good, feels really good, really soft. It feels like a nicer t-shirt than just a t-shirt. Next we have the Nirvana T in H gray. I'm gonna guess that's heather gray. Again, Gentle Fawn. Cute, got the V-neck. It's got the stitching down the front. And then in the back, the sleeves are cuffed. cute. Again, it feels really good too. Seems like Wannable's upped their quality, I do believe. Okay, here's Off the Shoulder Striped Top in Heather Gray by Wannable. So this is their brand. Again, it feels really good. Okay. And then last, here we go with another necklace. You like sending me necklaces. Okay, and I will do a better job this time than I did at the last time of showing it to you. This is the Square Flower Pendant Necklace in Gold by Must Have. Well, I like this better than I liked the other one. It's very, I'm going to show it to you like this, and then when I do the try on, I'll show it to you closer up. It's a little more dainty than the last one, which was a mountain range, and it just wasn't for me. This is pretty, 18 karat gold, dipped. I like the chain. It's got a really dainty chain. But let's get to the try on and see what we think. Okay, we will start at the bottom because I just had a feeling that I was not gonna like this dress, and I don't. It is not made for me. The waist, I don't know if my waist is here. And so this is, I don't know if it's supposed to be like empire waist, which that's not gonna stay up, but I think it is not for me. And again, it is the tiered short sleeve dress in charcoal by Les Amis, $58, which is not bad. It does have pockets, which I didn't realize till it's got 2 front pockets. It's very roomy. It's very comfortable. It's just not. Let me show you a close-up. I am not gonna. I think this little necklace is cute, but I hope you can see it. Last time there we go. See the little flower? Last time too much of a glare. This is cute. I like it, but I told you on another video that I get Roxbox, and I kind of can pick out exactly what I want. And almost always, of course, I buy something because you can buy them really, really cheap. Not that, I mean, this is $24, but anyway, let me get on to the next, see if I can get myself in those jeans. Be right back. Alrighty, high-rise crop skinny in medium blue, size 26 by Vervette, $68. Couldn't get them buttoned up, so I won't be showing you these, but you get them on. But if I could sew a big old panel right here, they might work, but here they are. I won't turn around, but then this is the Sonoran Sandwash Dolmen T in black, size small, $49. It's cute. Like I say, it's different than my other black tees, so I do like it. Again, it feels really good. I'll have to think on this, watch it back and see. But the jeans are a no, and this is a maybe. So I will be right back with the next outfit. Okay, we have gone from one extreme to the other. These, I really, really like them, but I'm not sure that they're not a little too big. But I don't know that I should go down a size. But these are super comfortable. I really, really, really like them. And I think they're really cute. I love the weight of them. They're light, but they just feel, they don't feel expensive, but they don't feel cheap, if you know what I mean. Does that make sense? One thing I have a problem with a lot of my joggers is that I sit down and they work their way up, and then I stand up and they are like hung up on my shin or just below or whatever, but these are not going to go anywhere. But I like them. And again, they are the Morris Jogger in Carbon by Gentle Fawn. Ooh, $39.50. So these are mine. I love them. Now I really love them even more. And then this top I think is cute too. This is the Nirvana T in Heather Gray, size small, by Gentle Fawn. $46. I think it's cute. See, it's got the detail down the center, back, and of the front. On top here. I like it. Feels good. It'll go with a lot. So far, not a perfect box, but not a bad box. So I've got one more top to try on, and I'll be right back. All right, last one. This is the off-shoulder striped top in Heather Gray, size small, by Wannable, and it is $50. I think it's cute. I do. Here's the off the shoulder, the back. It has a band, a stretch band around the bottom, which I like. So you don't have to tuck it in. I think it looks cute with the joggers. Just not sure about the off the shoulder. And I wish it weren't $50. So let me do a really quick wrap up. All right, here are my final thoughts. These are, of course, are a no, unfortunately, because I do think they're cute. I did have a little trouble getting my feet. There's a lot going on down here. And so back here, like on both sides, kind of stepped into that and had to work my way out. I don't like that. With this dress is a no for obvious reasons. These two tops, I like both of them. So I'll have to think on them, leaning more towards this one. This top, I think, will probably be a no, just because I just think it will. The necklace is a no, and these pants are a definite yes, 100% yes. So I just have to decide if I'm going to keep, which one of the tops I'm going to keep, one, both, or none. Definitely keeping these. So let me give you, the merchandise total is $334.50. Keep 5 discount would be $66.90. So that would bring it down to, and then the subtotal $267.60, and then the styling fee credit, because they don't do a style pass or anything, $21.65, less $21.65, sales tax $22.08. I do like that they add the sales tax into it, so you know exactly $268.03 is your bottom line. Stitch Fix doesn't add the tax in, so it looks really good when you look down there at the bottom, and then you've got another $20 added to it or so. But anyway, good box. Scott did a good job. I'm going to get really specific with him about my new size and my dress, short dress especially, version. And that is it. That's it for this Wannable box. Thank y'all for watching. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time, y'all. Bye-bye.